Hi, I would like to talk to you today about quartz crystal. The essence of the crystal is an alternative view of the world and refer to the idea of a cheat Taoism concept naming the unseen force of life. Balancing one chi can create natural healing and harmony. The use of crystal as a healing device can be traced to ancient world. You know, the ancient Egyptian held quartz as a sacred and drank from the carved quartz vessel the liquid filled with life force. In addition, throughout the world, crystal bowls were representative of artist's power and purity of vision. Tibetan monks saw crystal as the window of the gods. In South America, ancient culture used crystal in ceremony, and in North America, Native American culture believed in the legend of harmony. Within the belief system, crystal and mineral possess certain properties that can bring harmony and peacefulness. It is no accident that I have chosen such material to express what Buddhism called the visible nothingness, an understanding of the spiritual ascension and wisdom. What I'm capturing in my work is the invisible truth as a concept that represents by the distilled purity of nature, masterfully created in sculpture of earthly material. Nature functions as the model of synergetic inspiration, expression of personal spiritual harmony. This is the true essence of crystal. To learn more about my work, go to Dorit Fine Art. Until next time, sending you love and light.